Dear students, today we are going to start third lesson. Lesson name is Basic HTML Elements. The full form of the HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to make the web pages. In the last lesson we read websites. Websites are the collection of the web pages. Hopefully most of the students you have opened anytime any website, and these websites are the collection of the web pages. Now question is how the web pages are created. You can use the HTML language to create the web page. Whatever you are watching on the web page, that remain the content of the HTML. HTML is a language by which we are going to write the programs. You have to use a browser for opening the HTML web pages, and one notepad can be used to write the page, means HTML program. As on the screen you are watching, this is one HTML program, and the text whatever is written here in the brackets, that are known as the tags. The first one line you are watching, HTML, it is in the brackets, and the last one line it is also written HTML, but it is having slash. What is difference between the first one and the last one? That is, first one is the opening and the last one is the closing, means HTML opening tag and the HTML closing tag. Question raise, what is the tag? The tag are used to perform the task in the web pages. Every appearance, whatever you are looking in the web page, that results of the HTML tag. In this program, every matter is written inside the HTML opening and HTML closing, means how many programs you will make, that all programs will start from the HTML opening tag and ends at the HTML closing tag. And these programs will be written in the notepad. Next point is head tag. Just after the HTML tag we write the head tag. Head is also having closing tag. Inside the head tag we are writing title tag. Title tag is used to give the title for the web page. Here we have given title of the web page. This will come on the title bar of the browser. Just after the head tag we are writing the body tag, body opening and body closing. What the text you will write in the body opening and body closing, that will be displayed on the web browser. This is the first program of the HTML. By writing this simple program you can make a simple web page, and you have to write this program in the notepad. After writing this program in the notepad you have to save it, and you can give in the location, save in location desktop. After giving the location you have to give the name of the document. For example, we are giving the name first program. After giving the name you have to write the extension of the file, that is .html, means first.html, and save it. After saving it, you have to open it. This file will come on the desktop, and when you will open it, it will be displayed as the web page you are looking here. In the title bar, the title is coming title of the web page. We gave here in the title, you can see title of the web page. It is coming in the title bar, title of web page, and whatever we gave in the body tag, the same matter is coming inside the body of the web page. Try it, and if you face any problem, you can WhatsApp me. Thank you.